Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. How long can you store DTF prints? Many customers will not use DTF prints immediately after making it. Usually, as long as you bake it thoroughly, it will be fine for 12 months. The storage environment of DTF prints should not be too hot and humid, and there should be no direct sunlight. In terms of practical performance, our experience is that it is the best in 1 to 2 months. After 2 months, the resin must have a certain degree of functional attenuation, which is not the best state. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.